Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most popular spices in the world, ginger. Ginger is not only known for its unique flavor, but also for its various health benefits. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory. First of all, let's talk about the anti-inflammatory properties of ginger. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogaols, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce inflammation in the body. This makes ginger a great natural remedy for people suffering from arthritis, osteoporosis, and other inflammatory conditions. Number 2. Digestive aid. Next up, ginger is an excellent digestive aid. It can help to stimulate digestion and relieve digestive discomfort such as nausea, bloating, and gas. Ginger is also helpful in reducing stomach ulcers and can improve appetite as well. Number 3. Pain relief. If you suffer from pain, ginger might just be your new best friend. It has been shown to have pain-relieving properties and can be effective in reducing muscle pain, menstrual pain, and osteoarthritis pain. Ginger can also help to reduce headaches and migraines. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger reduce arthritis discomfort and increase joint flexibility. Patients with arthritis are usually given anti-inflammatory medications to lessen their symptoms, but ginger is a natural alternative. Number 4. Improves brain function. Chronic inflammation affects your brain over time and may cause it to degenerate. This could lead to cognitive impairments, troubles with one's mental health, or Alzheimer's disease. Because ginger contains strong antioxidants, it reduces inflammation and protects the brain from free radicals. It also improves memory performance by increasing the neurotransmitters in our brains that are in charge of memory, focus, and reaction time. Ginger even releases dopamine and serotonin to fight mental illnesses like depression and anxiety. Number 5. Immune system booster. Ginger has antiviral, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties that can help to boost the immune system and protect against infections. It can help to fight against respiratory infections, common cold, and flu. In fact, drinking ginger tea regularly can be a great way to keep your immune system strong. Number 6. Alleviates PMS symptoms. Throughout a woman's period, menstrual pain is a common symptom, but ginger may help to lessen discomfort. Throughout the first 3 days of your menstrual cycle, the anti-inflammatory properties of ginger help with PMS-related bloating and discomfort reduction. Number 7. Healthier skin. Ginger improves the health of your skin thanks to its antioxidants, better blood circulation, and antibacterial properties. Antioxidants protect the skin from UV rays and slow down collagen breakdown, making it appear younger and tauter. Antiseptic properties help with acne symptoms, and raw ginger can be used to cure acne scarring. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties aid in the treatment of irritated skin. Number 8. Prevents cardiovascular disease. In addition to its many health advantages, ginger has the power to thin the blood, preventing cardiovascular issues. Blood thinners reduce the likelihood of blood clots, which also reduces the risk of heart attacks or strokes. In addition to lowering blood pressure and cholesterol, ginger also helps to prevent heart disease. The accumulation of cholesterol in the arteries might increase the chance of developing heart problems. In addition, ginger increases circulation and lowers blood sugar, which keeps the heart in top condition. Number 9. Weight loss aid. Ginger consumption has been shown in several studies to aid with weight loss. Ginger controls insulin levels, boosts metabolism, and facilitates a quicker post-exercise recovery. Ginger speeds your metabolism and makes you feel full, which makes it easier for you to control your portions and aids in weight loss. It won't work by itself, but when used in conjunction with other weight loss techniques, it can improve your results. Number 10. Anti-cancer properties. Lastly, some studies have suggested that ginger may have anti-cancer properties and may be effective in preventing or slowing the growth of certain types of cancer cells. While this research is still in its early stages, it shows great promise in the fight against cancer. Ways to include more ginger in your diet. If you're wondering how to eat ginger for health advantages, there are several ways to start including it in your diet. A method you appreciate should then be incorporated into your practice. 1. Ginger tea. One of the most common ways to consume ginger is through tea. Making ginger tea involves putting chopped or sliced pieces of ginger into water. To increase flavor, include seasonings like honey or lemon. However, they might not be as healthful as fresh ginger. Some producers of prepared tea bags do provide ginger flavors. 2. Spice up your foods. Add minced ginger to your dishes for flavor and health benefits. In soups, stir-fries, and curries, ginger is delicious. Ginger can be found in desserts and smoothies as well. 3. Ginger juice. Taking a daily shot of ginger juice is among the simplest ways to eat ginger. You can prepare them at home using a juicer. If they don't need to make a whole meal or prefer to drink it, some people even ingest raw ginger for more immediate health advantages. It's important to remember that while ginger can offer numerous health benefits, it's always best to talk to your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or health routine. In conclusion, ginger is a powerful spice that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. Incorporating ginger into your diet can help to reduce inflammation, aid digestion, relieve pain, boost the immune system, improve cardiovascular health, and potentially even fight against cancer. Do not forget to click the like, subscribe on this channel, and click the bell button. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.